At exactly 40 years old, your body flips a switch. Not metaphorically, literally. Your cells start producing 30% less energy. Your muscle tissue begins disappearing, 8% per decade. Your hormones start their decline. This isn't some far-off problem. This is happening today, right now, inside your body. And most people have no idea until it's too late. Welcome to your 40s. Your body starts sending passive-aggressive messages. It's not happy with the arrangement anymore. I'm not here to scare you. Well, maybe a little. But mostly, I want to walk you through the biological mutiny happening inside your body. Why turning 40 feels less like a milestone, more like your body filing for divorce. Let's talk about the betrayal. Number 1, the Metabolism Conspiracy. Remember when you could eat an entire pizza at midnight, wake up with abs? Yeah, your metabolism remembers too, and it's laughing at you. Here's what's happening. Starting around age 40, you lose about 3 to 8% of your muscle mass per decade. Muscle is metabolically expensive. It burns calories even when you're binge-watching Netflix. Less muscle equals a slower metabolism. That same burrito that used to fuel your day now takes up permanent residence around your midsection. But it gets worse. Your mitochondria, those tiny power plants inside your cells, start getting lazy. They produce less energy, more oxidative stress. Translation? You're tired for no reason. That afternoon slump isn't just because of your boring job. And here's the kicker. Your body starts hoarding fat like it's preparing for an apocalypse, especially around your belly. You're getting that dad bod whether you have kids or not. Your metabolism didn't just slow down, it straight up ghosted you. Number 2, the sleep sabotage. Let's talk about sleep, or rather, the cruel joke your body now calls sleep. You used to sleep like you were in a coma. Now, you're awake at 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling, mentally reviewing every embarrassing thing you've ever said since middle school. Why? Your body's production of melatonin starts declining, the sleep hormone. Deep sleep, that precious REM cycle where your body actually repairs itself, becomes as rare as a parking spot at the mall during the holidays. You might sleep for 7 hours, but you wake up feeling like you wrestled a bear. Here's the insidious part. Poor sleep tanks your metabolism even further, increases your appetite, makes you crave sugar like a toddler, turns your mood into a roller coaster. It's a vicious cycle. Your body is sabotaging itself while you're unconscious. Number 3, the hormone heist. Now we need to talk about the great hormone heist. Your body is basically a chemistry lab. Someone just walked in and started randomly turning off the equipment. Testosterone starts dropping about 1% per year after 30. By 40, you're noticing it. Less energy, decreased muscle mass, lower libido, and a mysterious emotional sensitivity. You're tearing up at insurance commercials. Your body is literally stealing your vitality. But here's what nobody tells you. These hormonal changes affect everything. Your bones start losing density. Your skin loses elasticity. Your hair might thin. Your brain gets foggy. You'll walk into rooms forgetting why you're there at least 3 times a day. Your body isn't just changing the locks. It's renovating the entire house without your permission. Number 4, the recovery rebellion. Remember when you could play basketball all day Saturday? Be ready to do it again Sunday? Those days are gone, my friend. Your body's ability to recover from literally anything has packed its bags. Workouts, injuries, stress, a night out, all gone. That innocent-looking pickup basketball game? You'll feel it for a week. Slept wrong on your neck? Congratulations. You're now looking like an owl for the next 3 days. Your tendons and ligaments lose elasticity. Your joints start making sounds like a haunted house. Inflammation, which used to be your body's helpful healing response, becomes chronic, starts attacking you from the inside like a traitor. And injuries? They take forever to heal now. That sprained ankle used to be fine in 2 weeks. Now it's your body's way of saying, remember me? I'll remind you every time it rains for the rest of your life. So yes, your body betrays you after 40. But here's the thing. Knowledge is power. Understanding these changes means you can fight back. Strength training to preserve muscle. Prioritizing sleep like your life depends on it. Because it kind of does. Managing stress. Eating like you actually care about your future self. Your body might be staging a revolt, but you're still the one in charge. The question is, are you going to let it win? Or are you going to adapt and show your 40-year-old body who's boss? Because getting older is mandatory, falling apart is optional. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more reality checks about aging, and drop a comment telling me which betrayal hit the hardest. Trust me, we're all in this together.